Hello, this is Norecia. In this video, you will learn how to chart using your iPad on the Thinkorswim platform. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is make sure that I have my time frame in order. So we'll be looking right here. Okay, so I click on that. Right now it's 5 years, 1 month. I want it to be a 1 day, so I can go back to move the period back to a day. I want it as a day chart, and I want it only to be for 1 year. Okay, so that's that. And then for the beginners, I usually encourage others to start off using your line chart. So I need to show you where you switch that. You can click on the little candlesticks there, click on edit styles, new style. I'll put line chart for this style. Next, the type, I'll move it to candle, from candle to line, I'm sorry. And then the time frame will be daily. Interval, that was year to date. So I get to change that one to 1 year, 1 day. I'm not gonna add any studies or anything because that's another video. Okay, the studies are your technical indicators. So we're using the line chart, 12 months line chart. So that's how it looks. Then we're going to go to the little pencil, click new for drawings. And I have my recently used ones. The price level ones is what I like to use for. So I just do it, put it anywhere, and then just start moving it. Take it and just move it to where you need it to be. So I like to start off with measuring my low, my 12-month low. Okay, it's close enough. And then I do the same thing again, new, price level, 2 dots. I just put my hands on both sides of the screen and just start looking for the next one. Okay, so there's the next, that was the high. And then I'll do one more for you. New. Okay, so they're all labeled. So I can do this one here. Do another one close up. Okay, so that would work. And you just continue drawing your lines. This is one of the first ways that I learned how to chart. I can tell you it. Oops, I need to remove this. Remove drawing. The last one. That's how you remove it to. Price level, whatever level it is. Click remove. And it should move. There it is. It's gone. New. And just move it to whatever point you feel you need. I think I like to completely chart things. When you get better now, you chart just using the candlesticks. But this is just how I started out. Okay? That's just how I started out. And I can leave that there. And that's how you chart using. You can also do things like a trend line. Okay, so I clicked on trend line. Just do it where you want it to start and where you want it to end. So let's say I want one there, and then you can move it around. You can extend it as a trend line. Okay, and you can move it around. And that's a trend line. Okay. Now if you want to see it back as a candlestick, we're going to have to create one for the candlestick. And I deleted all my stuff just to show you. Candlesticks. Next. So it already comes up as a candle. Day. And just change everything. But once it's set, it's set. Done. And look, we have a candlestick chart. Everything is there. You see how everything, the candlesticks fall into in between the lines. Okay. You can zoom in, just expand your screen. Zoom out, zoom in, and just have fun with it. All right. So that's how you basically chart from your iPad. Now let me tell you, when I started, there was no doing this. I had to use the desktop. So I'm so excited that we can actually chart on the iPad.